Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VS Code Lifesaver extension. Suppose you have here an HTML file. Say you have an HTML file, and then within your HTML body tag you have an H1 tag, for example, welcome to my website. Let's say this is your web page. And then once you launch your web page, you open your web page with, let's say you open your web page with the browser itself. You go and open with Chrome, and then suppose you want to make a modification to your body of your HTML file. Suppose you want to add even an S. For example, you want to add something, for example, welcome to my website, and then you want to add another paragraph here. And to update your web page, you're gonna need to refresh your web browser to refresh the page where your main page has opened to. You're gonna need to open it. Now, how can you do it automatically with VS Code Lifesaver extension? So to update automatically your web page, you're gonna need to install VS Code Lifesaver. And to do that, you're gonna need to go at the left side, you're gonna see the extensions icon, and then you're gonna click on it, and you're gonna say type Lifesaver in the search bar, and then you're gonna see it. Once you see it, you can click on it and install it. Once you installed it, then you can right click on your web page, on your main page of your project, and then you can open with Lifesaver. And then here we go. Once you just open your web page with Lifesaver extension, you can now automatically update your web page without refreshing the browser. Suppose here I want to add an S to the paragraph. If I add it, you're gonna see it immediately. And if I want to remove it, you can see it disappear immediately. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next one.